Hi, this is a revision to this one from yesterday. Uh, I forgot to put the snow on the roof. I got so carried away sorting a colour out for it, but I forgot. And also forgot to put a couple of windows in. So I'm going to do that as a new video, and I might just strengthen up a little bit there, uh, but not a lot. Not a lot. A question to any of you that are familiar with the Canon Legria 360 camera, which is what I'm using for these demonstrations. I've made must be 1100 videos with this camera, and it's absolutely superb. It was a present from my daughter. She'd used it 4 times, and for some reason she gave it to me very kindly. And it's been magnificent. I've had to change the SD card in it because I wore that out, but it's still on the original battery, although it's plugged into the mains all the time and I do this. But I've got a question, and I've not really found a solution to it. If I want to pause this recording and go and make a cup of tea or answer the phone, I pause the video, and then when I'm ready to start again, I press the play. And it carries on recording, but it records a new video. It doesn't carry on with the video that I first started, which is a bit of a nuisance because either I then have to publish in 1, 2 or 3 parts, or take the time to edit it in the Windows Movie Maker, which is a blooming nuisance because it takes a lot longer to upload to YouTube. There's probably an edit in the camera, but I don't know. I'm not a very good technophobe. I'm a technophobe, yes, that's a good reason, good thing. So if anybody's got any solution to that, other than change the camera, I'd be very appreciative of any input you might have. Right, I'm going to sneeze now. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, I could have paused and record and then carried on, as if nothing had happened, but alas, I can't do that. So I'm going to put some snow on here. I'm going to put some windows in here, and I might sort of put that as a gable in rather than as a. Well, you can see, you might be able to see some more of that with a bit of shadow coming in there and do that a little bit lighter. And in fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. Bit of umber and a bit of ochre. So we'll do that while we're at it. Then I've got to pack this away and prepare for my demonstration tomorrow. Get that a little bit lighter there, a bit more ochre-y. Okay, so let's get that. Just a bit of a shadow cast down there. And get some ochre. I don't really like going over demo once it's done, but I think in this case it's worth it if you get it right. I didn't notice it to begin with. Right, let's put in some windows, a bit black and a bit of brown. Yes. Like that, and maybe we could put a bit of a window in there. Just probably a bit strong. Let's just knock it down a bit. Change the colour of it. Okay, let's walk in vertical. Been out for the bike ride this morning on the River Wandle. I'll change those a little bit when it's dry. So I don't think they're very symmetrical, and I don't want to paint the whole thing out, so that's right, snow. So I need plenty of light coming from that cloud break, light coming through here. So maybe let's get some ochre, a bit of red. Just put a little bit in there. Alright, bit of blue, bit of red. That's my snow colour, but very, very light. I'll clean it up in a minute. And there's a bit of blue in that as we're coming into more shadow. Okay, that's a little bit better, isn't it? We could always put a bit of slit snow with a bit of black. I'll use a small brush. I can't find it. I had it this morning. Okay, leave it. Can you believe it? It's a long blue handled brush, and I've lost it. Excuse me, masking here. Oh, that is unbelievable. I got the brush out, especially for. Oh, maybe it's not a blue handled brush, but I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. It's a silver lock. Age thing. Right. So we'll put a little bit of snow on the top here, I think. And put a little bit of black and a nice of a shadow area here. Just to show a bit, as if it slips down a little bit. I might do the same here, near that. And bit too white, isn't it white? Was it grey? No, that's not quite right, is it? No, that's a bit of shadowy colour here. And I'll go back with, just clean that up there a little bit. That's the point, that snow down just a little bit too much there. Let's get the shadow colour to go under the gutter there. Just blue and red. Right, I want some more bright on the top of that now. On the top of this roof here, it's not quite bright enough. Well, I think that looks a bit better, doesn't it? Catching the light on that left hand side. Here, from down here. There it is. No, it's just it's the trouble when you revise. You do things and then you think, oh, why did I do that? So I'll just reinstate that. It's very difficult to do this in oil. Just clean that little bit out there. But if I bring that tree just up a little tad. Okay, that's a bit better. Right, let's get those windows back in there. Right, I think that will have to do. That come up and get that a little bit straighter there. Right, that's better. Now we want a bit of dark on that side. So I'm using a bit of white, a bit of umber. This is. Right, now we can put some snow in there, but shadowy snow. So you can do light snow on the other side, but as shadow, so plenty of blue. You wouldn't be white, snow isn't white, it reflects the sky. But where we will have light would be on that side there. So, I've got to clean this palette, but I can't stand waste. So sort of snow piling up. Right, I think that is just, can't do much more with that, I don't think. I don't want to add any more trees or branches to that. That would be taking the revision just a bit too far, because it was I was happy with it when I did it, but I just forgot, as I say, that to do the roof. I was so intent on getting the colour right that I forgot it's supposed to be snow. So let's just put a little signature on here. Then I'll put it in the mouth. I've varnished this. In fact, I will give it another bit of varnish over what I've just done. So if you bear with me, just mute your screen. Mute your sound. Go. Right, and now I'm just going to put a little bit of varnish on it where it's gone matte because of the new paint. So this is dilute PVA glue, which I knocked up this morning, another pot of it. It's wonderful stuff. You don't need to buy expensive varnishes. Use your wood glue, woodworking glue. Okay, so that's that, and then we'll give it a dry again. So that's all nice and that's all nice and shiny. Well, matty, sort of a mixture between gloss and matte. If you really want it glossy, you'd have to put another coat on, but then it would be like glass, and that wouldn't be very good. Right, okay, I'll just dry that. Mute. Okay, we'll put it in the mount again. And then I'll upload this as another video. So if anybody's got any solutions to the Canon leg rear, how you can easily pause and record, not start up another video that has to be knitted together. Right, okay, that. I'll take this one with me to the demonstration tomorrow so they can have a look at the latest. Right, okay, so there we are. The roof has now got snow on it. Oh, I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know if that shows up okay. Hope it does. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.